What happens when you take the most powerful engine, the wildest aerodynamics, and push the limits of physics? Today, we're building the craziest V16 hypercar in automation and testing it in BeamNG. Quick montage of insane car crashes, speed tests, and engine revs to build hype. Explain the goal. We're not just making a hypercar. We're making something that defies logic, something that shouldn't even exist on the road. First things first, the engine. A hypercar isn't complete without a monstrous power plant. So, why not go all out with a V16? Choose the biggest displacement possible, maybe 8.0 L or more. Forced induction madness, TwinTurbros. Supercharger, maybe both. Experiment with insane boost levels. Test different configurations. Okay, 2000 HP. No problem. 3000 HP. Now we're talking. Engine sounds test, rev it up to 9000 plus RPM, checking how insane it sounds. Now, we need a body that can handle all this power. We're going for a sleek, ultra-lightweight hypercar design. Choose carbon fiber monocoque chassis for weight savings. Extreme aerodynamics. Giant front splitter. Active rear wing. Massive vents for cooling. Weight balance. With all this power, we need perfect weight distribution. Mid-engine, rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive. Let's experiment. Color and styling. It has to look as crazy as it drives. Maybe a neon green cyberpunk theme. Or a murdered-out matte black beast. Final stats check. Weight, downforce, drag coefficient. Suspension tuning, race spec coilovers, ultra-stiff anti-roll bars, camber adjustments. Brakes, huge ceramic brakes with multi-piston calipers. Tires, only the stickiest racing slicks will do. First dyno test, this thing is making over 3000 HP, and the wheels are barely staying on the ground. Handling test inside automation, making small tweaks for maximum grip and stability. Enough theory. Let's bring this beast into BeamNG and see if it actually works. First drive, moment of truth, start with slow acceleration, checking handling. Insane 0 to 60 test, can we hit 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds? Top speed run on a long highway stretch, pushing 450 plus km per hour, 280 miles per hour. Handling test, can it survive corners, or does it just spin out? Crash test, what happens if we send it full speed into a wall? For science, of course. Challenging tracks, Nordschleife, automation test track, or even a crazy off-road test just for fun. So, what have we learned? Can you make the craziest V16 hypercar in automation and actually drive it in BeamNG? Recap the most insane moments, highest speed, wild crashes, biggest challenges. Ask viewers, what should we build next? A jet-powered hypercar? A six-wheeled monster? Let me know in the comments. End with cinematic shots of the hypercar tearing through the roads, flames shooting out of the exhaust. Bonus ideas to make it even more fun. Challenge a friend, see who can make the most insane car. Drag race against other BeamNG cars, can it beat the Chiron, the Koenigsegg Jesko, or even a Formula 1 car? Insane mods, can we strap a jet engine to it? AI racing, let the AI drive it and see if it can survive a race.